Alright, hey everybody. Today was supposed to be a range test, but the wind is too high. It's blowing pretty strong here, so we're just going to take it out and see how it handles. Mavic Mini over the reservoir in strong wind. Sounds like a pretty stupid thing to do, but let's just do it. So you can hear right there, it's fighting the wind. I mean, it's holding steady, but I'm going to turn on record and let's just take it out a little bit. I'll see how it handles, and hopefully we don't lose the Mavic Mini today, because I would like to at least do a range test before I sink it. So let's go ahead and fly and see what we got. Alright, we'll take it up a little bit in altitude, try to catch some of the scenery here. Bring the camera up a little bit. Strong wind warning. Try to keep it safe today here. We'll stop about 265 feet. We're in P mode, running about 15 miles per hour. Take a look down at the water. A lot windier than I would have liked. So I just want to say, generally when you get these strong wind warnings like this, smart thing to do would be not to fly over water and not to be doing a range test. But here we are. And you can hear the wind blowing, so we're just going to take it out. Try to at least go over the park that's up ahead here, the camping park. I think that's enough strong wind warning for me to where we're just going to have to come back on another time when it's not so windy. This is just not a good day for it. Because it's even kicking our speed down. See, I've already been out here and almost reached 2.5 miles and returned with 30% battery. So higher winds. I just want to see kind of what it does with the battery here. Day anyhow. The return flight should be prettier with the sun away from us. Strong wind, fly with caution, land promptly. %65 battery. The wind dies down and picks up, so we're going to go ahead and continue here. Worst case scenario, I have to land somewhere and go get it. %60 battery. You can see in the water up ahead, the wind, how it's blowing on it. The other day I was out here, it was like a mirror. It's beautiful. We're already down 55% battery. I'll go as far as 50% battery and bring her back. I'll give you a screenshot at what the wind gusts are. Cancel real quick. 51%. We're going to come back with the wind, so not going to hit 10,000 feet, that's for sure. 8,500, we'll return home. Speeds drop down 10 miles an hour. And let's go ahead and return home. Yeah, so our return flight home's a lot faster, and hopefully the battery will be okay. We got 44% here. Never lost image, signal. Signal stayed strong. The FPV was great. Very happy with this so far. Cute little drone. It's not my everyday go-to, but I like it. I think I would still choose my Paradanafi over this more often. Even my Fimi X8 SE, I really like that one. And of course my Mavic 2 Pro, that tops all of them. But this isn't too bad. Kind of weird little effect there on the screen for a second. It's coming back pretty quick with hardly using any battery, so that's pretty good. definitely be okay on the battery. I'm not worried about that at all. Left the house, weather was beautiful, wasn't windy. Get out here, it's a whole different story. All right, here she comes. Wasn't the best flight, but I mean, still impressive as far as how it handles the wind. And not having any issues with wind. Let me, hold on a second. Okay, so came back, still had over 25% battery, but we had some pretty decent wind. I don't know exactly what it was, but I'll put that up on. I'll take my screenshot and put it up on the video. But all in all, as windy as it was and going as far as we did, not 1 ounce of signal loss, no FPV issue. Pretty impressive for this little thing. So I'm really excited to come back out whenever it's nice and calm and not windy out, and do another flight, because the last time I was out here it was like 2¼ miles. So I almost reached its range, and I still had plenty of battery. So I'm really interested to see if I just continue in that same route, if I can at least hit 3 miles. So that's not bad at all. This thing has been pretty impressive so far. It's a great beginner's drone. I highly recommend this. Professionals out there that have the bigger, better quads probably want this as well. I know a lot of people that have Autels and Mavic Pros and all that bought these and really love them, so, or love it. So it is a quad for all, but most of all I would recommend this definitely for a beginner. But I still love it. I really do like it. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do, but all in all, I'm very happy with it, like I said. So, hey, thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I'm gonna try to keep at it, doing a range test on a nice calmer day, and see if we can get further out there. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit that bell for future content, and as always, hit that thumbs up on your way out, and we'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.